have consumed, as Central American coffee or Spanish olive oil in the United States. For the fauna and countries of origin, for the first time a global map, details how exports treated the species. The study published last Wednesday informed consumers in the United States, China, Japan, how export products have an impact on biodiversity that is thousands of kilometers away. A previous study has concluded that 30% of threatened species will due to international trade. The new report, which focuses on almost 7,000 threatened marine and terrestrial species, points to countries that put biodiversity at greater risk because the products they import. One of the revelations is that the production of olive oil in the Spain and Portugal that is exported to the United States have a direct effect in the Iberian Islands in danger of extinction due to the construction of dams to control. Regulation experts is urged to find new solutions in the face of biodiversity loss. The Earth has entered a moment of mass extinction, in which animals and plants are disappearing at 1,000 times faster than a few countries ago, according to scientists. The conclusion is the study does not cover the impact of illegal trade in wildlife, which are hunting elephants for a beauty of catching exotic birds and reptiles to say them as pets. Many animals and plants are protected by the ONU Convention of International Trade in endangered species and wildlife.
Deforestation as we know it is the removal of trees in a land area, but it doesn't only have an impact on the plants in the Amazon rainforest. Unfortunately, it also has a very big impact on the animal life in the rainforest. The carrying capacity is the maximum population size of a particular species that's able to sustain itself. Because of deforestation, most of these species are now threatened by extinction or are even starting to get extinct, such as the Amazon spider monkey. The main reason for that is the fact that as deforestation destroys trees and plants, most of the species living in the rainforest either lose their habitat or their source of food. This already led to the extinction of almost 26 species in the Amazon rainforest.
Another reason why deforestation impacts the carrying capacity in the Amazon is the fact that trees provide shelter and also cool down certain habitats and the soil, which gives most inhabitants a more comfortable and easier habitat to live in. With the trees getting cut down and burned because of deforestation, the temperatures increase drastically and make the habitats unsuitable and unlivable for most species, which will make them decrease their carrying capacity since their habitat gets compromised by deforestation.
The third big reason for deforestation impacting the carrying capacity is the greenhouse gases. As we know, trees absorb carbon dioxide to breathe it out as oxygen, which drastically improves air quality. With the trees gone, the air quality becomes much less pure and of worse quality, which makes the animals decrease their carrying capacity.
Two animals that are example victims of the deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. The white-cheeked monkey, now an endangered species, feeds off fruits located on the canopies in the Amazon. Deforestation removes those trees, therefore limiting the white-cheeked monkey's source of food, which decreases the carrying capacity. The second example is the giant otter, who is also an endangered species. Deforestation for mining and agriculture has polluted the water source of the giant otter through swamps and slow-moving rivers, which therefore decreases the carrying capacity as well.